Welcome to Bill's Bridge class, Thursday, June 20th, 2013. Class 77, Blackwood and Gerber, when and how and why. The last class covered the mechanics of Blackwood and Gerber, but as you'll soon see, the first thing you need to learn is you usually want to find some other approach. You'll see why.
Danger, danger, Will Robinson. We have the point. We're in the range, so let's just pull out my handy-dandy Blackwood or Gerber and head for slam. Well, sir, before you go jumping off a cliff with Blackwood or Gerber, you really want to think about it. Ask your robot. He can answer some questions, but only the questions you ask him. I'd think twice. Before you start pulling out these conventions, ask the following questions. Number 1, do we know where we're going? Have we agreed to a trump suit? Partner opens a heart, you bid a spade, your partner bids 3 diamonds. Where are you going to play? You're going to play in spades, playing hearts, diamonds, maybe no trump. Don't know where you're going to play yet. Too early to be pulling out Blackwood. Question number 2, do we have enough strength to even think about slam? Partner opens a heart, you bid a spade, he jumps at 3 spades. It's your bid. You have an aceless hand. Do you think you have a chance for slam? It's possible, but not likely. You don't have enough. It's too early to be pulling out your Blackwood bid. Question number 3, is there a danger suit or maybe even danger suits? You bid a heart, 1 spade, 3 spades. It's your turn to bid again. You're going to be playing in spades, that's for sure, but you have 2 diamond losers. Don't bid Blackwood. Q bid, 4 clubs. Or, second case, same bidding sequence. You have 2 club losers. Don't bid Blackwood. Q bid, 4 diamonds. Question number 4, will the answer help me? Don't ask a question if you don't know what to do after you get the answer. 1 heart, 1 spade, 3 spades, and you hold a void in hearts. Let's suppose partner shows 1 ace. You bid Blackwood and he shows 1 ace. You don't know which ace, so the information isn't of use to you. So don't ask the question. Question number 5, should I even ask? Your bid after 1 spade, 3 spade, let's say your partner makes a limit raise, showing just short of an opening hand, and you hold the following. Just bid 6 spades. Whatever he has, you have a shot for it. The chance of making 7 is unlikely. He doesn't have the strength for it. Don't give the opponents the opportunity to make a lead directing double or the like. Just bid 6 spades and hope for the best. How about this hand? 1 heart, 4 hearts. Your partner isn't showing anything except a bunch of hearts. Just bid 6 hearts and hope you make it. Don't give the opponents opportunity and don't advertise the fact. Just go for it. Question number 6, could I get too high if I get the wrong response? Here's an example. You are south. The partner opens a club, you bid a diamond, it goes 3 hearts, 4 diamonds, pass. It's your bid. Here's your holding. You don't have any aces. You have a good hand, but if you're going to ask for aces, the problem is you could easily get too high. You need to Q bid 4 hearts. If partner responded with 2 aces, 5 hearts, you're too high. You've got to go to the 6th level to get back to diamonds, and you're going to be off at least 2 aces. So you're going to get too high. The question is, when is a bid of 4 no trump Blackwood? I would suggest to the new bridge player to learn about Q bids before you worry about Blackwood and Gerber. But if you get into a sequence that involves 4 no trump, it's nice to know when 4 no trump is Blackwood. After a major suit has been raised, 4 no trump doesn't make any more sense other than Blackwood. After a splinter bid, an implied fit has been, so a major suit, usually a major suit, has been raised, it also makes sense that 4-no trump is Blackwood. After a Roman cue bid has occurred, rather than responder's rebid of his suit, it's implied, again, there's an implied fit. After a super accept of a Jacobi transfer and a retransfer, again, a trump suit has been agreed to. Important thing is you have an agreement of a trump suit. There are certain cases in which 4-no trump is clearly not Blackwood. 1-no trump, 4-no trump is a quantitative raise. It's not Blackwood. 4 clubs would be Gerber instead. After a Jacobi transfer, 4-no trump is quantitative, not Blackwood. Some play 4 clubs after a transfer as Roman key card Gerber or as Gerber. I would tend to agree with that. And also whenever there is no implied trump fit. Stay tuned for other cases when we get into Roman key card and kickback for other rules where 4-no trump is not Blackwood. It means something totally different. But we aren't there yet. One is 4 clubs Gerber. The easiest simple answer is after a no trump sequence. But here are some examples. 1-no trump, 4 clubs. 2-no trump, 4 clubs. 3-no trump, 4 clubs is not Gerber if you play gambling 3-no trump. Check with your partner. Do you know about gambling no trump? How about 2 clubs, 2 something, 2-no trump, 4 clubs? Probably Gerber. How about 1 of a minor, 2-no trump, 4 clubs? Probably Gerber.
Let's summarize Blackwood and Gerber. Blackwood is 4-no trump, ace asking bid followed by a potentially 5-no trump, king asking bids. Gerber is the same thing with 4 clubs and 5 clubs is primarily used for no trump. Before saying all of the above, I would suggest you use it with caution, and for new players, learn cue bidding. It is the nuts and bolts of slam bidding. Tomorrow we're going to begin a series on splinter bidding, showing short suits and finding out how you fit with your partner. I think you'll find this entire series fascinating. See you tomorrow.